The Sonos Era 300 offers spatial audio through Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos is a new music format developed in the past decade. Although the Era 300 has a deep bass, clear highs and mids, it was not built for stereo tracks. Songs like Hey There Delilah, Cherry Blossom, and It's Gonna Be a Lovely Day fall victim of this. Stereo soundtracks are meant to be loud at -1 decibels. However, Atmos needs to be at -18 decibels, which allows for a better dynamic range. The Era 300 was built from the ground up. The front contains custom waveguides to enhance the dispersion of audio to make it sound like a larger soundstage. The center tweeter fills the room with vocals and lead instruments on the front and the back. To the left and right of the unit, there are two high-performance subwoofers to produce a balanced bass with a minimum vibration. Right above the bass is a pair of tweeters to evenly cover the room whether you are standing or sitting. At the very top is an upward-firing tweeter that reflects spatial audio to you. You can optimize your speaker for spatial sound with True Play tuning. It uses its onboard microphone to tune the speaker. At the time of recording, Android users will only have access to quick play tuning in the Sonos app. They do not have access to advanced tuning in order to tune your speaker. And if you're going to either play Dolby Atmos songs to Bluetooth or AirPlay, that is not compatible with any speaker at the time of recording this video. Pairing-wise, you cannot pair two Sonos Era 300 speakers as a single pair in front of your TV, but you can as rear speakers. For the ultimate surround sound experience, you can pair the Era 300 to the $500 2nd Gen Beam or the $900 Sonos Arc. One volume swipe from left to right goes up or down by 30%. On the back, you can turn on or off the microphone on the back. Unfortunately, the Sonos Era 300 does not support Google Assistant or allow Android users to use Google Cast on their products. If you press the play/pause button, your song will go to all of your Sonos devices in your Sonos system. Here are my recommendations based on your situation and how many speakers you should buy. If you are in a large to medium-sized room, you should have at least two Sonos speakers so it's able to be spread out spatially. Now, if you are in a small to medium-sized room, one speaker will be good enough because of its audio design and how it works really well. If most of the music you are listening to is stereo, I would rather recommend you the Sonos Move 2 instead of the Era 300. Is this speaker for you? Let me know in the comments down below. I've also left purchase links in the description down below if you want to see the current price of these products. And if you want to see more Sonos related videos like the Sonos Move 2, go ahead and click on this thumbnail right here or subscribe right here. My name is Reagan from ReaganVFilms. Thanks for watching.